Well, so far this has been coming out okay, so I decided to go ahead and start filming this. I'll let you guys know what I did. Took some of these. They are, if I can read it, they're 1x2x4s over at Lowe's. I think they're like $1.20 something a piece. And I bought a larger section of this stuff. It was about maybe 14 by whatever number, 4 foot or so. I think that was like $5-6. I pulled out the miter saw and just went ahead and started cutting things. And I went and bought a new router. I haven't had a router before, but I put all these 45s on every single board all the way around. And I feel like it helped it give it some depth and, you know, a 3D look, kind of separate each panel out a little better. You know, instead of looking something like this, you get more of this look. So yeah, I'm going to record bits and pieces of this project. We'll see how it all comes out, and I'll see what it looks like when the video's all done. So, see you in a sec. Alright, well, we got all our pieces cut, the lengths we want. I numbered them on the back just with some pencil, so I know the order, how to lay everything out. So now we just got to sand everything down, and I'll catch you guys then. Alright, I'll go ahead and wipe the rest of the sawdust off with a rag here. Some of the stuff the leaf blower didn't blow off. Just kind of clean these up some. Alright, now that we ran our wood through the rag there, I want to add a burn to it. I've used torches before, but I haven't used this one, so we're going to use the sacrificial piece and go ahead and test this out. Alright, well, I think that's about what I'm looking for. I don't want nothing super uniform. Kind of want to do something more like this. I might darken up some areas a little bit more, but I think that'll look good. I'm going to start with these back pieces here. These are going to be the boards that go along the back, and then I'll put the holes in here for hanging them. But yeah, start with these so I get a little bit more practice before I go with those, because that's all I got. Alright, well, I got all the pieces burnt front and back. Pretty happy with the stripes. I think some of the burns came out looking pretty nice on those. The Union here, I don't know how I feel. It's a slightly different piece of wood, I guess. It looks like there was some impurities in it. Maybe like a glue or something, I'm not sure. Or sap. I was burning it up. I think what I'm going to do is just kind of give this a light sand over. And then when we get our blue stain on there, I'm hoping that'll come together pretty nice. These here, I think these are probably going to be good the way they are. So I got a sponge here. Just kind of give that a light sand and then wipe down everything again with a slightly damp rag. Make sure we're getting some of the soot stuff off. And then we'll be ready for some stain. Alright, well here's the blue. It came out pretty dark. Still see some of the grain and everything, so I think it's going to be okay. Pretty happy with the red. I think that's going to look better once it's paired up with the other boards. I'm still kind of debating on this mashup here. I think it's going to look good. I'll see when I put it all together. I'm still debating if I'm going to whitewash these or not, but I think I might leave them natural. And this here, I think this will lighten up a little bit and look a little more correct once we get all the stars in. Using the Cricut, we're going to cut out some removable vinyl with all the stars and stuff in there as a template. And then I'm going to mark them all and go through and carve them all out. The other option would be kind of just put some white on there, white paint or whatever. But since we got, these 45-degree chamfers and everything's kind of 3D, I think I want to keep with that and go ahead and just carve all the stars out. And then I just have to touch it up with the torch a little bit to kind of give it the burn look again. But I think we're starting to come together pretty good. I'll let you guys know when I get it all put together. Alright guys, finally got her finished up for today anyways. Look at that.
Oh, would you look at this?
Yeah, well.
Would you look at that?
Yeah.
First thing I do is I say, would you look at this? You know what I mean?
Yeah, sure.
Oh my gosh, just look at
The
it.
car is not perfect.
Just look at it. Just look at it.
So I'm pretty happy with it. I think the colors came out just about right. I think I'm going to leave the boards natural. I think they look pretty good that way. Finished carving up the stars. That took a while, and it was kind of a pain to do. Just burnt them a little bit, kind of get it to match the rest of the wood. So yeah, I think I'm about finished with it. Tomorrow, I get these guys put on the back of this, get it all glued together, and I might give it a couple coats of some poly, and I think that'll be it. Well, besides the, I got to router the holes for these. I got the hardware, like little metal pieces to put back here to hang it, so I'm going to router out channels back here. Other than that, she's about done. Well, fast forward a couple days, polyurethane's nice and dry there. That's about 2 coats on there, not super thick. Wanted to try to keep it a little more matte, but still kind of give it a clean finish. On the back there, went ahead and routed out those channels for the mounting hardware, as you can see here. For the bit itself, it's a small 1/8 inch Bosch bit. Made a mess, but I picked this up separately because it didn't come in the little skill set I picked up for when I bought that router. All in all, I think it came out pretty good. Let me know what you guys think, and see you next time.